Hey there, foodies and adventurous eaters. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fascinating topic that's sure to pique your culinary curiosity. We're diving deep into the unknown facts about a popular Indonesian dish, Ayam Taliwang. Stick around, and you might discover something surprising about this delightful dish. Ayam Taliwang is a spicy chicken dish originating from Lombok, Indonesia. It's famous for its unique flavor profile and rich cultural history. Origin of Ayam Taliwang. Did you know that Ayam Taliwang hails from the beautiful island of Lombok, which is part of the Indonesian archipelago? This region is known for its fiery cuisine, and Ayam Taliwang is no exception. Lombok is famous for its stunning beaches, lush forests, and, of course, its rich culinary traditions. Ayam Taliwang is a reflection of the island's vibrant culture and the love for spicy, flavorful dishes. Spicy secret sauce. The secret behind Ayam Taliwang's irresistible flavor lies in its special sauce. This sauce, called plecing kangkung, is made from a blend of chili peppers, shrimp paste, garlic, and other spices. It's not for the faint of heart, as it packs quite a punch. The secret sauce is not only spicy but also incredibly aromatic. It's what gives Ayam Taliwang its distinctive and addictive taste. Grilled to perfection. The chicken in Ayam Taliwang is grilled to perfection. It's not just any ordinary grilling. It's a traditional method known as bakar taliwang. The chicken is marinated and then slow cooked over coconut husks, which infuses it with a delightful smoky flavor. This grilling method is a testament to the skill and dedication of the local chefs who prepare this dish. It's an art that's been passed down through generations. Cultural significance. Ayam Taliwang isn't just a meal, it's a cultural experience. In Lombok, this dish is often served during special occasions, ceremonies, and even family gatherings. It's a symbol of unity and togetherness. The dish brings people together, fostering a sense of community and belonging, making it an integral part of Lombok's cultural heritage. Variations of Ayam Taliwang. Ayam Taliwang isn't a one-size-fits-all dish. In different parts of Lombok, you can find variations of this iconic chicken dish. Some regions prefer it to be spicier, while others may incorporate different local ingredients to add their unique twist. This versatility is a testament to the diverse culinary landscape within Lombok itself, where Ayam Taliwang adapts to the local palate and available ingredients. Women as the keepers of the recipe. In many Lombok households, the secret of the perfect Ayam Taliwang recipe is often passed down from one generation of women to the next. It's the mothers and grandmothers who hold the key to this cherished family recipe. This tradition not only preserves the dish's authenticity but also strengthens the bonds between generations. The perfect pairing: Ayam Taliwang and plecing kangkung. A true Ayam Taliwang experience isn't complete without a side dish called plecing kangkung. It's a spicy water spinach salad served alongside the chicken. The combination of the crispy, fresh vegetables with the fiery sauce is the perfect pairing. Plecing kangkung balances the spiciness of Ayam Taliwang and adds a refreshing element to the meal, making it a harmonious culinary duo. A culinary ambassador of Lombok, Ayam Taliwang has become an ambassador of Lombok's cuisine, gaining recognition not just within Indonesia but also on the international stage. Travelers from all over the world seek out this dish as they explore the island. It's incredible how a local dish can bridge cultural gaps and bring people from different backgrounds together through the love of food. Health benefits of Ayam Taliwang ingredients. While Ayam Taliwang is known for its fiery flavors, many of its ingredients offer health benefits. The chili peppers used in the sauce contain capsaicin, which is believed to boost metabolism and aid digestion. Additionally, garlic is known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, making Ayam Taliwang not just delicious but potentially good for you too. So, when you enjoy Ayam Taliwang, you're not just tantalizing your taste buds. You might be giving your health a little boost as well. So there you have it, the unknown facts about Indonesian Ayam Taliwang. It's not just a spicy chicken dish, it's a culinary journey that's deeply rooted in tradition and culture. Next time you're in Indonesia, make sure to try Ayam Taliwang, and remember the secrets we've uncovered today. You'll not only satisfy your taste buds but also connect with the heart and soul of Lombok. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting food explorations. Until next time, happy eating!